Welcome. This meditation is all about your awesomeness. And we're going to build it up. It's going to be a light-hearted meditation. So whenever you're feeling less than, you can come back to this meditation for a dose of awesomeness, building your awesomeness muscle. So making sure you're comfortable in your chair or lying down, eyes closed. I always like to start the meditations with the breath. The breath supports you in relaxing your body and also bringing you into the present moment. But if you do find yourself in the head thinking about anything other than your breath and how awesome you are, please just come back to my voice or your breath or watching your belly rise and fall. So becoming aware, deeply aware of you breathing in through the nose, where the breath goes to. Does it stop at your chest? Does it travel down to your belly? And breathing out. Just stay with this breathing in and out for a little while. And I just want to say, I know you're awesome. And I don't even know you. But I know this is a fact because you're part of a universe that's awesome. You're not here just randomly. You're here for a purpose. Just like the trees, the animals, the earth itself, rotating around that hot, flaming ball we know as the sun. It's all rather miraculous. It's all rather awesome. And you're part of that. Which means you're awesome. Do you believe that you're awesome? Or do you kind of cringe on the inside when you hear me say that to you? Either one is fine. The purpose of this meditation is simply to connect with your awesomeness through the use of a mantra and through listening to my words. You're awesome. Keep breathing. And I want you to say to yourself, I'm awesome, or I am awesome, with as much enthusiasm as you can muster. If you're feeling low right now, and you're listening to this meditation for a pick you up, then just do the best you can. Be kind to you. But please take part in the meditation and follow my prompts. Breathing in, breathing out, relaxing even more. You're awesome. You're awesome. Just allow the words to land and notice any resistance on your part. Maybe you don't believe the words. That's okay. Maybe you can breathe in. Actually, no. How about we do this together? Breathe in and out, along with the mantra, I am awesome. I'm awesome. I'm awesome. I am awesome. Remember to keep breathing and stay as relaxed as possible with this process. If you do feel a resistance in your body, breathing and staying relaxed is really powerful, because you might actually be able to release whatever that untruth is. Because the truth is, you're awesome. You're awesome. You might like to smile if you're feeling your awesomeness. If you're still feeling low, just take your time, breathe, and repeat the mantra to yourself as best you can. I am awesome. You might even like to say it with some conviction. I am awesome. I am awesome. Or you might like to say it with gentle knowing. I am awesome. I am awesome. Really allowing the words to penetrate. As you say them in your mind, really listen to them, really take them in. Take in from me, you're awesome. You're awesome. I am awesome. I am awesome. I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one who thinks you're awesome. But it's actually more important and vital that you believe it. that you build your awesomeness muscle, that you build your awesomeness belief in you. So let's say it together one last time. I am awesome. And breathe and believe it. If ever you're feeling less than awesome, come back to this meditation. Give yourself that 10 minutes. And if you've enjoyed this, received some value from this, I invite you to press the subscribe button and also the notifications button, which will be a fabulous reminder for you to incorporate 10 minutes of meditation into your day every day. Here's to your awesomeness. I look forward to being the voice in your meditation tomorrow.